1. Be yourself and be happy. The greatest thing that you can do to make a difference in the world is to be yourself. Be happy with yourself. Learn about yourself. Invest in yourself and experience all the joys of life as yourself. Then, with all the rich experiences you gain, share yourself with the world. Number 2. Be of service to others. If you want to make a difference in the world, then you need to be able to act from a place of service for others. You can only truly do that when you feel your needs are already met. Personal happiness is a prerequisite to helping others because it enables you to put all your focus on giving. Number 3. Donate money or time. Donating money is an easy way to make an impact. And you can already do so for a couple of bucks each month. Small contributions matter. Or you can donate your time by volunteering for a cause that you care about. Number 4. Care for the environment. Making a difference in the world starts with the environment around you. So ask yourself, how can you leave the place better than you found it? Here are some examples. Smile or bin the rubbish you find, even if it's not yours. Help someone without expecting something in return. Correct things without looking for a praise. Number 5. Follow your passion and purpose. Find out what you are passionate about and what your purpose is in life. Then pursue it with all your heart and soul. By doing what you love and what matters to you, you will inspire others to do the same. These are some of the steps you can take to make a difference in the world. I hope they inspire you and motivate you to take action.